You're gonna love the 2024 Hyundai Tucson. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety. The Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Quality blends beautifully with convenience in this remarkably well-designed Tucson. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.